Hi guys! I am going to read you a story about a bear. It's called Bear Snores On. Ready? Let's get started. Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman, and published by Pearson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Huddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creepy crawls in the cave from the fluffy, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So he lights a wee twig with small, hot spark. The coals pip, pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. A hare is another name for a bunny rabbit. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps big burps. But Bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." It looks like they're having a picnic without Bear, who's sleeping. And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Gopher, mole, wren, and raven. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters the wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. A lair is another name for his home, his cave. They're all dancing, but you can see right there, Bear is still sleeping. Hare stokes the fire, and Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. I think he's crying. He's sad he missed the fun. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. How did you like that book about Bear? That was a fun book. I hope you enjoyed our time. Bear snores on.